Small and humble beginnings are the launching pad to great endings. Such is the journey of our successful Fijian tonight, who's broken barriers and scaled new heights, except that his journey is just beginning. Koroi Tandulala reports Sivendra Michael is the first Pacific Islander to graduate with first-class honours from the University of Auckland in Masters of Econometrics.
On top there. Almost. There, look up.
Growing up with a humble background in Lautoka serves as an inspiration for 31-year-old Sivendra Michael to break barriers.
My entire life, I grew around big communities, I can say. And for me personally, I always identify myself with those communities because those were my backbone. One of the major challenges was financially, like we were not in a situation where I could take money for recess lunch, things like that.
Determined to make it in life, Michael grabbed every opportunity with both hands, quickly rising through the ranks of success.
I did things like peer mentoring, worked in the academic service, I worked with the residential halls people, so I had a couple of jobs. And one of the reasons why I had to take up the jobs is because I always knew at the back of my mind, I'm in university and it's quite hard to ask someone else for money, or depend on my parents.
Through the course of pursuing his education, Michael's goal changed after spending a semester in the United States under a student exchange program.
It was at that moment where my thinking towards just finishing a degree and getting work had changed. At the age of 24, I joined the UN in a national officer position, and I think at the history of ILO, that is the youngest ever national officer. And I just finished my graduate school.
Michael, who is also a single father, says he draws inspiration from his mom and his daughter, pushing him to achieve all that he could.
I draw inspiration from her because no matter what the challenges were, she was able to send me to school and get me a proper education.
31-year-old accomplished educator offering his advice.
When there are opportunities available to you, step up and make the attempt and effort to grab that opportunity.
Michael is currently working as a program specialist at the United Nations Development Program and has also completed his Masters in Governance at the University of the South Pacific. He holds a postgraduate diploma in economics and is currently completing his PhD in development studies at the University of Auckland in New Zealand. Koroi Tandulala, FBC News.